This is where things get really interesting. On one side, you have the brand new Huawei Watch Buds 2, a futuristic smartwatch that literally hides earbuds inside. And on the other side, the Huawei Watch Ultimate 2, a hardcore, ultra-premium smartwatch built for diving, extreme sports, and serious health tracking. Two completely different philosophies, but both sitting in the premium category. So which one actually makes sense for you? Let's break it down. Design, build, and display. These two watches are built for completely different users. The Watch Buds 2 focuses on innovation and everyday convenience. It looks clean and premium with a titanium build, and the standout feature is the flip-open design. Press the crown and the watch opens up to reveal the earbuds inside. It feels futuristic but also practical for daily use. It is also lighter and slightly thinner compared to before, which makes it more comfortable on the wrist despite having earbuds inside. The Watch Ultimate 2 takes a completely different approach. This is a rugged, heavy-duty smartwatch built with premium materials like sapphire glass and advanced metal construction. It feels solid, bold, and clearly designed for extreme environments. On the display side, both are excellent but again serve different purposes. The Watch Buds 2 gives you a bright 1.5-inch AMOLED display with up to 3000 nits brightness. It is sharp, smooth, and perfect for everyday visibility even under direct sunlight. The Watch Ultimate 2 also offers a high-end display but focuses more on durability and outdoor readability. It is built to survive tough conditions while still delivering a premium viewing experience. Battery life. The Watch Buds 2 delivers around 2 to 3 days of usage, which is impressive considering it is also charging earbuds inside the watch. The earbuds themselves give around 3 hours with noise cancellation and slightly more without it, and they recharge automatically inside the watch throughout the day. The Watch Ultimate 2 is built for endurance. It offers longer battery life and is designed for extended outdoor use, tracking, and adventures where you do not want to worry about charging frequently. If battery is your priority, especially for travel or heavy usage, the Ultimate 2 is the stronger option. Features difference. This is where the biggest difference comes in. The Watch Buds 2 is all about convenience and smart integration. You get built-in wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation, automatic charging, and smart left-right detection, so you can wear them without thinking. Along with that, the watch includes essential health tracking like heart rate, SpO2, sleep tracking, and smart insights based on your data. It is basically a two-in-one device made for everyday life. The Watch Ultimate 2 is focused on performance and advanced features. It supports professional diving, extreme water resistance, and advanced tracking features designed for serious users. You also get more advanced health features compared to the Buds 2, making it a more complete fitness and outdoor watch. So the difference is simple. Watch Buds 2 is about lifestyle and convenience. Watch Ultimate 2 is about power and capability. Water resistance. This is a major difference. The Watch Buds 2 is splash resistant only, so it is not made for swimming or heavy water exposure. The Watch Ultimate 2 is built for water. It supports deep diving and is designed for serious underwater use. If you need a watch for water activities, the Ultimate 2 is the clear winner. Price difference. The Watch Buds 2 sits around $549, while the Watch Ultimate 2 is much more expensive, going closer to the ultra-premium segment. Final verdict. If you want innovation, convenience, and something different that simplifies your daily carry, the Watch Buds 2 is a great choice. But if you want maximum performance, durability, and advanced features for outdoor or extreme use, the Watch Ultimate 2 is on another level. If you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to subscribe to Smartwatch Radar, and I will see you in the next one.